Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video we are going to customize Emacs without Elisp. So I'm just going to get a general basic nice looking startup and then you can go from there making it into the IDE that's suited to you. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is Alt X or Meta X and I'm going to type customize option right down in the lower corner here and I'll hit enter. And what I'm going to do is customize the variable default frame alist. Okay. Here I'm going to insert a parameter, and the parameter I'm going to insert is full screen, and the value I'm going to give it is maximized. I'm going to click apply and save, and then I'm going to close out Emacs with Control X, Control C, and reopen Emacs. And you'll see Emacs opens full screen, which is the way I like to start with my Emacs. Second thing I'm going to do is customize the font. And I'm going to install a font via my terminal. I am running Debian 11 on this Chromebook, so I can install JetBrains Mono with sudo apt install fonts-JetBrains-mono. I'm going to hit enter. And that's going to take a moment and go ahead and install the font. Okay. For Emacs to notice this, I'm going to close it and then reopen it. And then I'm going to go to Options, down to Set Default Font, and I'm going to search for JetBrains Mono, and you'll see a bunch of these come up. I'm going to make this a little bit larger here and scroll up and do JetBrains Mono Regular, and let's make it large so you can see everything I'm doing. Let's make it 18. I'll click Select. And now I am going to save that option, so I will save options. And that's writing my .emacs file. Okay. If we go ahead and look at that, I'm going to do Control XD just to show you what that does. We go to the .emacs file, and you'll see it wrote this line, family JetBrains Mono, and all this stuff. So what we're doing is we're writing this stuff, or we're having Emacs write the stuff, so we don't have to write the elifs for that. Okay, the next thing I like to do is get rid of the toolbar, the scroll bar, and the menu bar because I like a minimal setup when I start up Emacs. So to do that, I'm going to do Alt X, customize option, and I'm going to customize the toolbar mode and hit enter. I'm going to toggle it to off and I'll click apply and save. I'm then going to do Alt X and hit the up arrow key and do customize option. And I'm going to do scroll bar mode. And the value right now is right. I'm going to click none and click apply and save. The next thing I'm going to do is Alt X, up arrow for customize option, and we'll do menu bar mode. Okay, I'm going to toggle that to off and click apply and save. You can toggle these on and off if you really want them once you hide them. So, but I like the default to be kind of hidden. All right, so now I'm going to close out Emacs and let's open up and see what we're dealing with right now. Okay, so when we start up, we've got this splash screen or the startup screen. I don't really like that. I just like to have a scratch buffer when I open up Emacs. That's easy enough to fix. I'm going to do Alt X, type in customize option, hit enter, and then what I'm going to do is customize the option inhibit startup screen. That's usually set to off. I'm going to toggle it to on, click apply and save. Okay, let's close out Emacs and just restart it just to show you that I've closed that out. So now we've got the scratch buffer when we start up Emacs. Pretty sweet. The next thing I'm going to do is set up line number. So I'm going to do Alt X and customize option, and then global linum mode. Okay, that's on off. I'm going to toggle it on and click apply and save. And now we have these line numbers. The next thing I'm going to do is set up the Melpa package repository. So I'm going to do Alt X, hit the up arrow for customize option, type in package, then hit tab. That's going to be package enable at startup. Hit enter. All I'm going to do is click apply and save. Then I'm going to do Alt X, hit the up arrow, customize option. I'm going to type in package, and then I get the option to customize the package archives. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to insert a package archive here, which is going to be Melpa. And I'll type in the address https://melpa.org/packages/. I'm going to click apply and save. Let's close out Emacs, reopen Emacs, and I'm going to do Alt-X, package, list, packages. Now from this point, you got a nice base setup of Emacs. I'm going to show you how to install a theme, and then from there, how to maybe install a package for something you're working on. So I'm going to do Alt-X. Once the package refresh is done, then I'm going to type package install, and let's install a theme. That's going to take a moment. Okay, and let's install Doom themes, which is a set of all these bunch of different themes. Okay, so it's going to download a bunch of different themes here. Okay, I'm going to do Alt-X and then package, no, not package install, customize themes is what I want. And let's go pick a theme. I'm going to go down here and let's pick Doom material. I'll say yes, I really want to load. Do I want to treat the theme as safe in future sessions? Yes. Okay, so now we've got the Doom material theme. I can go up here and click on Save Theme Settings. Now if I close this out and restart, you'll see I've got the Doom material theme when I start up Emacs. Now I can do Alt-X and do package install. And let's search for Dart mode because I'm doing some Dart programming. I'm going to click enter and get going from there. Okay, so now you can really customize Emacs to your liking. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.